Up to 2007, those people who died after post-election violence have never found justice till to date. 2013 the same way. 2017 the same way. 2023 the same way. It is a high time we end it. It is a high time we end it. And as we focus on the liberations of this nation, our forefathers, Akina Jaramogi, they fought for this country. Akina Raila brought us the constitution. It is our time to fight for the third liberation of this nation. And I'm saying this, I don't need to ask anyone for permission so that I can fight for those people's rights. As long as I feel their rights have been violated. It's true, I don't have a son or a daughter who was killed, maimed, or murdered. But I'm a human being who feels what government did was wrong and wrong and wrong. And as we focus on how to find justice on those people who are arrested, murdered, and forcefully evicted, we believe after this course, we will enter into another course of making sure that we save this nation for recurrence of things. Like after every election, people have to die. So we have a lot of things to do as Bunge la Mwananchi, and we believe members of the fourth estate will support us. And we believe we shall move forward because this Kenya belongs to all of us. This Kenya belongs to all of us. And that's why we feel right now there is someone who has violated the law. There is someone who has done wrong. And that's why we are doing what is right to make sure things are aligned with the law and things are aligned with our constitution. Thank you very much. May God bless Kenya.
In light of Article 143 of the Constitution, because he is protected, he has immunity within the Constitution, not to be subjected to criminal proceedings while he's in office, during his tenure in office. Now, as Bunge la Mwananchi, we resolve that President William Ruto should negotiate an honorable and a dignified exit from government within 30 days, so that the new government can allow him safe exit out of the country, so that he's not subjected to these criminal proceedings. But should he refuse to step down within those 30 days, Bunge la Mwananchi will have no other option but to pursue this matter to its logical conclusion. In conclusion, we want to urge everybody in Kenya who was affected in one way or the other, because from the numbers that we gathered, around 5,000 people were affected by the unlawful arrest and the extrajudicial killings that happened. So we want everybody who was affected and has not been compensated and has not been given any form of reparation to reach out to the leadership of Bunge la Mwananchi so that we can process a solid case against the Republic of Kenya. Because the evidence we have as at now has convinced the seven-judge bench that Kenya has a case to answer with regard to the criminal commissions that the violations that it committed against the human rights, against the obligations that she has under the East African Community Treaty. Then last, we are requesting the member states to convene with immediate effect so that they can consider the membership.
Sijui mnatisha witness, atisijui mnatisha nani, hapana. Kwa sababu nchi mahali imefika, ukiona vijana walifika mpaka wakasema wanaingia kwa parliament mchana saa 7 mchana, my friend, hakuna mtu atatishwa. We are willing kwenda mpaka Arusha kwa sababu tuko na evidence karibu Kikapu mzima na tuko na witness karibu constituency mzima. So wale watu ambayo wanasikia wanataka kuwa part of our witnesses, wale watu ambao wanasikia wako na evidence, tafadhali mtuletee hizo evidence. Tukienda Arusha tukue na kesi ambayo iko nini, iko solid, ndio tuiage pale mbele ya koti na tumalize hiyo uhasama katika hii Kenya wakati kutoka kwa dhidi ya wanasiasa. Kitu ambayo nasema ni hii, nchi hii tumekuwa na governance ambazo tumekuwa na governance
Hooded, they must not conceal their faces. Police must not conceal the number plates of the vehicles they are using, and so on. And we can see that those court orders are not being complied with. We are also considering that the Inspector General of Police and all those who are in command of the police force must be held liable for court contempt and be indicted properly in accordance with the law. As Bunge la Mwananchi, we are not going to tire. We are going to go against the law, led by our President Franco Awino, in pursuing and making sure that the state, the state, or our country is not turned into a police state as it is going right now, because we are